Welcome to HAD6 channel. In this video, we will look into WHEEZE. 11 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Scheme. Which means a large-scale systematic plan or arrangement for attaining some particular object or putting a particular idea into effect. Scheme. For example, the occupational sick pay scheme. Number 2. Contrivance. Which means the use of skill to create or bring about something, especially with a consequent effect of artificiality. Contrivance. For example, the requirements of the system, by happy chance and some contrivance, can be summed up in an acronym. Number 3. GAMBIT. Which means an act or remark that is calculated to gain an advantage, especially at the outset of a situation. Gambit. For example, the most ambitious financial gambit in history. Number 4. Trick. Which means a cunning act or scheme intended to deceive or outwit someone. Trick. For example, he's a double dealer capable of any mean trick. Number 5. Game. Which means a secret and clever plan or trick. Game. For example, I was on to his little game. Number 6. Ruse. Which means a trick. Ruse. For example, Emma tried to think of a ruse to get Paul out of the house. Number 7. Subterfuge. Which means deceit used in order to achieve one's goal. Subterfuge. For example, a disreputable subterfuge. Number 8. Stratagem. Which means a plan or scheme, especially one used to outwit an opponent or achieve an end. Stratagem. For example, he deployed various cunning stratagems. Number 9. Device. Which means a plan, method, or trick with a particular aim. Device. For example, he found an ingenious legal device to avoid facing prosecution. Number 10. Dodge. Which means a cunning trick or dishonest act, in particular one intended to avoid something unpleasant. Dodge. For example, the grant system's widespread use as a tax dodge. Number 11. PLOY. Which means a cunning plan or action designed to turn a situation to one's own advantage. ploy. For example, the president has dismissed the referendum as a ploy to buy time. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Furthermore, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.